When you have chronic kidney disease, there are places you'd like to be. Like here. And here. Not so much here. If you have chronic kidney disease, Farxiga can help you keep living life. Farxiga. And Farxiga reduces the risk of kidney failure, which can lead to dialysis.
Farxiga can cause serious side effects, including dehydration.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
With more concentrated power, because the only thing dripping should be your style. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz, Winter Warriors with Alka-Seltzer Plus.
Cleanse and exfoliate in one step with new Garnier Micellar Gentle Peeling Water, boosted with glycolic acid to cleanse, remove makeup, and gently exfoliate. Clinically tested to even skin tone. See visibly glowing skin with new Micellar Gentle Peeling Water by Garnier, naturally.
Okay, everyone, our mission is to provide complete balanced nutrition for strength and energy.
Ensure with 27 vitamins and minerals, nutrients for immune health, and Ensure Complete with 30-gram protein.
Theo's nose was cause for alarm, so Dad brought Puffs Plus lotion to save from harm. Puffs has 50% more lotion and brings soothing relief.